Welcome to Week 1 Extended of Best Global AI's Creative Writing with ChatGPT-5. In this tutorial, we'll explore agent mode through real-world applications, showing how it can transform both education and marketing. This script is designed to guide you step by step. Step 1. Log into ChatGPT-5 and select Agent Mode. Step 2. Education Example. Ask the agent to collect current perspectives on book banning. The agent will pull from hearings, articles, and media discussions. Observe how it synthesizes multiple viewpoints. Step 3. Marketing Example. Prompt the agent to analyze a demographic, such as people over 40 transitioning jobs. Ask it to identify needs, challenges, and potential products or services they respond to. Step 4. Apply insights. In education, use the summaries for class debates. In marketing, use them to draft ad ideas tailored to the audience. The agent gives you speed and perspective. Step 5. Realistic personas. Imagine two fictional course graduates, Maria, a teacher who used agent mode to streamline lesson prep, and James, a career changer who applied it to job market analysis. Both saved time and boosted confidence. Step 6. Document your results. Save what the agent provides, highlight the most useful outputs, and reflect on how you might apply them to your own context. That concludes the extended Week 1 tutorial. You've now seen how agent mode can work beyond theory, in real classrooms, and in real businesses. All paid registrants also receive the companion trial text, keeping the machine honest, plus the instructor's edition with grade-level notes. Remember, with each practice, you're preparing to use AI confidently in the eternal now. James Musgrave will also give you live meet ideas on how to use agent mode to do your online ad marketing tasks for you.